My one great poem, Books Instructions. Books are the source of according instrument of accessible knowledge. Books are the source of instructions of knowledge. We can acquire knowledge from the source of knowledge. In the books, we can achieve the instructional knowledge from the books, which is progressive of our life improvement. Conversations. Hi, Raja. How are you? I am not well. I understand to follow you. I am very sickness. What is the problem? Have you suffering? I am suffering for the stomach pain. Why are you not going to the doctors? And why are you not an appointment? I thought that I should be recovered for taking the medicines. Have bought the medicine shop, but I have not relief, so I shall go to the doctors on tomorrow. Yes, it is very necessary for you. Others conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. How are you, baby? I am fine, but I am very confused, baby. Why, mom? Have you confused? I am confused for meeting and seeing with you. For the long times I have not seen and meeting with you. When will you come here? Why you have not coming here? I am trying also for meeting and seeing you, but I have not the method of seeing and meeting with you. I have not the time, but I have planned that I should meeting and seeing with you during the summer vacations. Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I completed MA and BEd course. I like to the varieties. I like studying to the varieties and different books for acquiring knowledge, and I like watching the TV programs and the other social activities. I enjoy to it all. Interview. Hi sir, may I come in? Yes, come here and take your seat. Why are you interested for participate in this school job? I am very interested because I am thinking that it is the very good and best job. How many years experience have you? 5 years experience. How much salary have you deserved? I am deserved 30,000 salary only. Hi madam, may I come in? Yes, come here. Please, I want to look your fish book. Yes, I want to deposit the fish books and payments. Please check the fish book. Please check the fish book. Okay. And count this money. Okay. Is right. Hi madam, why are you calling to me? I call to you for knowing the fullness of your child. He is very weak on the subject. What is the subject? Has he weak? He is weak on the mathematics subject. Please special take care and pay attention to these subjects. Yes.